Hey, this is Wendy with Loaves and Dishes, and today we're going to talk about how to freeze almonds. Isn't that exciting? Well, if you've bought any almonds lately at the grocery store, you'll know how very expensive they are. And so if you have extra almonds, you're going to want to freeze them because you want to keep them a long time. A friend of mine gave these 2 bags of almonds to me because a friend of hers I don't know where she got them from, some kind of sale or something, and she had too many, more than she could use even if she froze them. So these are more than I'm going to be able to use right now, so I'm going to freeze them, and I'm going to show you how. So you can freeze almonds in their packages like this, or if you have an open package, you can freeze the remainder of your package. If you want to freeze them in smaller amounts, like cup size amounts, all you got to do is open that package and put that amount in the bag and seal it up. You will want to do like I'm doing here and label your bags before you put the almonds in, because that makes a very bumpy surface to write on. So I put the name of what I'm putting in the bag and the date that I am freezing it on. Then I know when I'm looking through my freezer that how much time I have left to use them. So no matter if you're doing these by the cupful or by the bagful, you want to put the bag in a freezer safe container. That could be a Ziploc bag, it could be a plastic container of some kind. Just make sure it's freezer safe. Then you want to remove as much air as possible from the bag. Aren't these bags always a trick to get them sealed just right? You can, if you're really talented, leave a small space at the end of that zip strip, stick a straw in there, suck all the air out of the bag, and then seal it up. Now it's ready to go in the freezer for up to 6 months, and actually it would last in the freezer longer than that. You just have to, it'll start losing some of its freshness after that. So that's it. That's how you save money by freezing your almonds. Don't throw them away. Don't leave them in the cabinet where they get stale. Put them in the freezer. Isn't that a great idea? You can do that. That's so easy. It takes 5 minutes and then you've saved yourself a whole lot of money. Okay, thanks, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to click the bell and the subscribe. Bye-bye.